Drones have become indispensable not only for entertainment, but also for taking great photos and videos, exploring, and even for professional work. But which drone is the best? Which model really makes the difference in terms of flight time, camera quality, range, and smart features? Today, we list the best drones on the market and decide which one is the right choice for you. If you are thinking of buying a new drone, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Autel Evo Lite Plus. Get ready to take to the sky with Autel Evo Lite Plus. This drone allows you to capture ultra-clear images with its 6K camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Its low light performance is legendary because thanks to the adjustable aperture f2.8 and f11, you can take perfect shots according to the light conditions. With a flight time of 40 minutes, it stays in the air longer than most drones. Your images are always smooth thanks to the advanced 3-axis gimbal system that provides stable flight even in windy weather. Plus, with intelligent flight modes, shooting cinematic videos is a breeze. Tracking mode, 360-degree obstacle detection system, and dynamic shooting modes turn drone flying into a complete pleasure. Whether you use it as a hobby or take professional shots, Autel Evo Lite Plus adds a new perspective to the sky with its powerful camera, long battery life, and smart features. Number 4. DJI Air 3S. With the dual camera system, you can effortlessly switch between wide-angle and telephoto shots to capture cinematic images. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor main camera delivers excellent detail even in low light, while its 3x telephoto lens allows you to capture even distant objects clearly and impressively. With up to 46 minutes of flight time, you can take long shots and enjoy safe flight with omnidirectional obstacle detection. The APAS 5.0 obstacle avoidance system helps you maneuver smoothly, even in tight spaces. DJI Air 3S, which also stands out with its smart flight modes, makes it easy to shoot professional cinematic videos with features such as master shots, focus track, and quick shots. With OcuSync 4.0 technology, it provides strong signal transmission up to 20 kilometers, so you can shoot with a stable connection even in the most remote locations. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs or creative projects, DJI Air 3S takes aerial imaging to a new level with its advanced features and powerful hardware. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This high-end technological marvel is distinguished from its competitors with its triple camera system. The 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad main camera captures excellent images with ultra-sharp details and natural colors. The 70mm telephoto camera delivers cinematic portraits and dynamic perspectives, while the 166mm super telephoto lens zooms in closer than ever before. Apple ProRes 5.1K video recording delivers high-end image quality for professional content creators. With O3 Plus, 15-kilometer range provides uninterrupted and low-latency transmission, while omnidirectional blocking sensors ensure safe flight by detecting obstacles from all directions. Up to 43 minutes of flight time is a great advantage for long shots. Intelligent flight modes make it easy to create cinematic scenes, while ActiveTrack 5.0 makes target tracking perfect. If you want to shoot professional drone footage, create cinematic videos, or get creative in the sky, DJI Mavic 3 Pro is for you. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K. DJI Mini 4K is a compact but impressive drone that is light, powerful, and 4K quality. The DJI Mini 4K weighs only 249 grams, allowing you to fly freely without getting caught up in most legal restrictions. While capturing ultra-sharp images with the 4K 30 FPS camera, you can take smooth and professional shots with the 3-axis gimbal feature. 10-kilometer HD video transmission offers a wide range, while the intelligent RTH return-to-home feature increases safety. Advanced wind resistance ensures stable flight even in windy weather. Intelligent flight modes make it easy to capture cinematic scenes at the touch of a button. Lightweight, portable, and offering impressive image quality, DJI Mini 4K appeals to everyone from beginners to content creators. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI pushes the limits with the small but impressive Mini 4 Pro. With the 4K/60 fps HDR camera, you can capture ultra-sharp images in vibrant colors. Super advanced O3 video transmission delivers uninterrupted and clear images with a range of up to 20 kilometers. While the 360-degree obstacle detection system ensures safe flight, it is now easy to capture cinematic shots with intelligent flight modes. True vertical shooting lets you shoot vertical videos perfect for social media. Capture every scene in professional quality with HDR video, night mode, and active track 360 degrees. It also offers stable performance in all conditions with up to 34 minutes of flight time and strong wind resistance. Lightweight, portable, and equipped with the latest technology, DJI Mini 4 Pro is the perfect choice for content creators and drone enthusiasts.